Okay, you've got to see these. They're quite dark. Much darker than I remember. Have to deadhead them so they'll bloom again. Otherwise the rose chafers will have won. These will all be white soon. Spirea, hydrangea, obedience plant, irises, spirea, cranesbill, spirea, cedar, Heliopsis, is that right? Mums, phlox. Forget what that bush is. Chicory. And cut all the roses back so they're starting again. Persian cornflower. Look at that. That's blooming. That's the red hydrangea. How cool. This is a dahlia. Another hydrangea. Got a few weeds. Lots of weeds. These are going to bloom again. This is it's pink. It was always pink. No, it's red or white. Oh, finally, look at it's growing. It just wouldn't grow. Finally, it's growing. I thought it had died. New growth, finally. Glad to see that. It's going to be for teacups. Lots of weeds here. Uh-oh, I have that grass in here. Look at that. Pink hydrangea. Oh, that grew. I'm rooting. You see all these branches that are going into the ground? I'm rooting them. Then I'll cut them off and I'll have those other bushes. It's a regalia. This is another regalia. I'm also rooting these. This one here, and over here, and in there, and up here. Willem helped me. Got rid of some of the grass in here. These are my 3 little ponds, which are in bad shape. Weigela, iris, daylily, and look, the lilac is working. The smoke bush, lots. This little tree will have lots of those big triangular white flowers on it. It smells so lovely. I don't know what it's called. I hear a bug singing. I think Gary's coming to check out that dead sheep. Oh no, he's not. This is a guava or something like that. This is that tall grass. I gotta get rid of it. This is a curly willow, and this is a barberry. This is a smoke bush. I left the bucket so I could find where I planted them. This is a Weigela. This is a snowball, but I buried some of the branches again. So maybe it'll root. These things are blooming. I don't know what they are. They're very pretty, aren't they? The hostas have done well down here. And this is I forgot the name of it again. Never remember that name. And here's the other gourds. Well, they have 4 leaves. I don't think they're going to do very well either. What was your first giveaway? Your clue, Nancy? Hi, Willem. What time is it?
After 9.
Uh-oh. All right. I'll be right there.
Okay.
Got Harry Potter?
Oh, no. I think it is.
Well, that's very important, you know.